And you say you're disciplined.
Okay.
You try the ball. Don't take pictures. Why your first one? You're my warning.
Salmon.
Of course. And what people don't know is that national security, they've been mandated to do anything to protect the interest of the country.
Okay.
You bet me you bet your car. Okay, we're here for 2 weeks. You have no say.
Okay.
We should be careful. We should be very careful. This oil Benny. Who's American? You say, who are you? I'm an American. Who beside Ghana and you was me here? Achieve me here, call me. Why don't we see ourselves as Ghanaian first? Rwanda, we started here. One statement from one journalist, stupid journalist, one statement, and inflaming the whole passion of the nation. What school you know? It's who can't hear, I saw game and son waka. Who will beat you? For what? For being what and ever?
Asem baby pie me pono so no ene say ya abrante bia ne din edi Caleb Kuda oye adwuma e wo City FM ho ena aka agyamu atese raise brows pa e wo oman e Ghana mu na asem no enche mu no ene say ya Caleb Kuda e ko national security asoye e ko fa videos bia any consent woye den oye ne sa ne no no ena je say a blow alarm e ma emu enipa ni bi e kan ye ma ye che no na abra ye che no so a won etoto na no won busa ne say himfa ene wo fire na wo chantro e ka say ono de wo free Cape Coast if you say the entia wo say wo chantro no ene say eye abra won ebusa no say ko o kan say wo ya igbeni a anasa ye kan no ewe aka ombe bono kra asenisa na adofo asema brante e kan ya de so wadi atore na ye no kwa so na tiri kwa enko agina me nko amintimi mpese ensem mu ntino mini minua be ma abisa friend me boss ba ko peye Mr. Ben Bruce ba be chichi enkomo adofo agime na me cha me hosima me ba ya to aso adofo kan me ho na yema Mr. Bruce akwaba Mr. Bruce e ma akwaba Baby aboko.
Adom. Then I'm in
Kafra. Mr. Bruce, I sema ekosui efa eye Caleb nhui. Wakako child videos afa national security for mo so nam so amo modi ne mpambre. Uzu se eye ne kwan so no.
Me da what say. A friend is saying, we shout it.
Onje so.
On my eye me say you need the offer. And when I meet stories, no, meet back because say, then a national security building, security zone. So what the hell? Even heaven cry or security zone.
Okay.
Call John. Time and I may future near my children. A be or catch as a man intro. Because a net information behind as a winner. Share on my mo yan to the security here. You better expose here. Now you better regret it. Journalism here to inform, educate, entertain.
Okay.
It's education means can correct.
Okay.
Why nekasan? Why 3 factual? Just say what deny be what can from yes, sir. I can say about.
Okay.
1. What's national security building yet security zone? 2. Metisa or can say, Papa be crying a casai or ever. Actually, also say who deny say we ever. What did I say?
Okay.
And the last one is or portray say they were attacking him because of certain parts of Ghana.
Okay.
My main brass went one by one.
Okay.
Factually, national security, a year tribes obia wombi. I before womb, northness womb.
Okay.
Baby, sometimes what they even do is that you find all those or take us on Tipino. Ebia or Ibeni.
Okay.
It's Ibeni or why you're more than a casa. What's it I mean? Say? And that 2 journalists, what do you say? Places be why you're trouble. Say, don't take pictures. One from him, make some information, or you should drone. No, the car at the end. Which even, and look quite very criminal. Because which means we try to say best circumvent a security network, no. BBC finding out you can go straight and ask. And then I almost say CID for. Okay. We are not CID people. To me, no. Maybe the abroad, but what you also did was totally wrong. The fact is, what could try installation and any so okay. That should be established. Abroad a later thing, but we try installation as a try. I say abo.
I was here abo.
I say abo.
Sir.
Near Mose. Yeah, Mose.
Now, I saw you for being anyone my dear man apart from your brow, more bone. If it's out here, I brought any cousin was just so chin mokrana on to meet me film 9 days. Also, we only said you were sitting on wire. I brought it here. They don't pay in a book.
When you're in me, Okobe Makamba. Yeah, would you go to ya? Not at all. We are not catching up on sale, January.
Zoom line of the Baba Pratt. And
yet, you have more pride the whole area. Oh. And you say you're disciplined.
Okay.
You tried your ball. Don't take pictures. Why your first one? Your mom warning.
Salmon.
Of course. And what people don't know is that national security, they've been mandated to do anything to protect the interest of the country.
Okay.
You bet me a share, you bet your car. Okay, we're here for 2 weeks. You have no say.
Okay.
We don't know that. Who told you it's a national security building? And yet, security zone. Who told you that? And anyway, we catch on when Trump winning the American election. What he did was, a friend said, now I say, move straight to the house or to the White House. And America was spending money to protect his home. The home became the security zone, the former security zone, because of the person there. It's a security zone, and the people living in that place, and your building, we need to learn.
Okay.
And educate people. And to tribal way, we should be careful. We should be very careful. This oil Benny, who's American? You say, who are you? I'm an American. Who beside Ghana and you was me here, achieving me, calling me. Why don't we see ourselves as Ghanaian first? We are treading on dangerous grounds. Oh, before say at this time and care quite anymore. We see ourselves as more Ghanaian than anything. We are achieving in the air. We are Benin in the air. We are not in the air. Are you not in Ghana? Are you not a Ghanaian?
Yes.
We need to defend Ghana first. Okay. And stop this tribal. If you are big, so what?
Let us say, I'm branching in Casa, you know, Casa, so Casa or ya Benian, come over bonus and one Casa.
Totally foolish statement or
okay.
And yes, a journalist what go school I actually what dear I would need implications say Rwanda near starting here one statement from one journalist, stupid journalist, one statement, and I inflaming the whole passion of the nation. What go school it's who can there and so dream and son waka. Who will beat you? For what? For being what and ever? We should stop that.
Okay, I said about Bruno to swear. Yes, sir, was say or more a Bruno, sir.
A Bruno here, me feel say it's time we move from the Rollins era. Because your constitution, we need to update it.
Okay.
Because yeah, Rollins at that time to protect it. But it's time, because now before say national security nuclear cause city news, they could have gone straight to the management.
Okay.
Say yeah, share as a messy. Why they say yeah, why we need him? Or by just take her phone for a phone brand. That's it. But chasing her up was wrong. And but the fact of the matter is, as journalists, we need to know, say, and your baby and me simply because we are journalists.
Okay.
And your baby and your building be now ultimate call. And your Ghana is happening everywhere. America, and yes, oh yeah, security, oh yeah, journalists, you can enter anywhere. It's not done.
Okay.
It's never done.
Okay. Your director, your Breno, I be now and some say air coso your my granny more effort journalist phone. If you say this is not the first time I had seen some say, now put to obey and I would you war at the Emma a journalist for so muko baby got to change information be and you can saw where they were more at chain at the Eba Emma and Biasing in Etienne, a dear put on our Edema.
Yeah, was send me. journalist you are saying me.
Okay.
Asem na all reporting. Is it fair to the person? Will it help the person? Will it help you? What did I make her say? We are journalists in here. No chance say offer camera, offer pen, bibia no watcher. Dream once and a way. Ebe boa me. Foremost, ebe boa my ebe boa and can't go. We should not be who here. Go to the right authorities. Get information. What I said, don't go and stand somewhere when you be now for who back as a man. Now I try now the political name of MYA. What I said, let's speak whatever, silence new. I think it's a grand scheme be phobia. It will help you, it will help me. Let's focus on nation building and stop all those things. MYA.
Okay, yo, me that say. Yeah, papa. Mr. Ben Bruce, wakasa bebre, wakana me say. Journalist for mo share ye, mo so mo befa e futu na mo tu wan na mo ami gidi say ebeboa mo pi. Na opesa wo che wagen e di efa ene ensem yi hu nti no meso se ko YouTube channel. Na ko subscribe efa ko too much GA. Comment section so share wagen efa ene ensem mo fefe efa mami na ofre so a. Go follow your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now, me ambi di ene ensemi about mapono so no me din e di efia and shoma. E da se ne yebe saying Asia.